Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your body settle into this space. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise. And let it out slowly through your mouth. Do this a few more times at your own pace. Notice how your body feels right now. You might feel some tension or anxiety. That's completely okay. Just observe these feelings without trying to change them. Imagine your anxiety as a wave in the ocean. Sometimes the wave is big, sometimes it's small. But like all waves, it always passes. You're not the wave. You're the ocean, vast and deep, able to hold any wave that comes. Now, bring your attention to any place in your body where you feel tension. Maybe it's your shoulders, your jaw, or your stomach. As you breathe in, notice this tension. As you breathe out, let it soften, even just a little. If worried thoughts come up, that's natural. Instead of pushing them away, imagine them as clouds in the sky. Watch them float by without getting caught up in their story. You don't need to follow them. Feel your feet or your body making contact with the surface beneath you. This connection is your anchor. When anxiety feels strong, you can always come back to this sensation of being supported. remember that right here in this moment, you are safe. Your breath is steady, your body is supported, your mind can rest. Now imagine you're surrounded by a gentle, warm light. With each breath, this light brings a feeling of calm and safety. Let it fill your body slowly, from your toes all the way up to the top of your head. You might still feel some anxiety, and that's okay. You're not trying to make it disappear. You're learning to be with it differently, with more kindness and understanding. Take a few more deep breaths at your own pace. Feel the steadiness you've created in your body and mind. Whenever you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a gentle stretch if you'd like. Open your eyes slowly, knowing you can return to this peaceful place anytime you need. Take one final deep breath. And as you exhale, bring this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day.